Now, Gutenberg gives us several options for editing. If you go to the right-hand corner up here, the 3 dots, we have a top toolbar, which is the default setting, and that gives us all the options up here. If I take off the top toolbar setting, then that menu moves to the block. We have Spotlight mode, which focuses on one block at a time. So it makes whatever block that we're not working on semi-transparent, so you've got a greater focus on what you're doing. And there's a full screen mode, work without distraction, so it takes away most of the tools and such. There's also a code editor, and this is still very useful if Gutenberg gets something wrong. Sometimes when working with WordPress, it'll get something just out of place, just enough that you have to go in and edit the HTML. And you can still do that. And you can notice here that the blocks are wrapped by a WP paragraph, WP heading, and such. That is the block. So be careful when you're editing in here, but it is available. And I'll just switch back to the visual editor, and let's move on to the next video.